This is fairly simple for us. So now we are doing SA 220 and SQC 1. But because it is covered in our song, so it is very simple. First, now 8 questions breakup is what? First, we have question number 1. Then we have question number 2 to question number 7. And then we have question number 8. Question number 1, let's do it first. It is, what are the elements of assurance, elements of quality control? Let's see this. First is what? Your farmer story. Let's start. Let's go to the story first, then we'll do the points. Tell me. Farmer's wife puts a turban on his head, puts a tilak on his forehead. He goes for the harvesting day. On the harvesting day, he roams around his mango farms. A big limousine car comes from there. Who comes out? Mukesh Ambani ji. Mukesh Ambani ji and the farmer shake each other's hand. They know each other from the past. Mukesh Ambani gives an order for 10 lakh mangoes. The farmer says it can be arranged. He whistles. A small boy comes running. He tells the boy, go climb the tree, get the mango. Climb the tree, get the mango. And after that, he gets the mango and the farmer checks the mango. That was the story. Quick version of the story that we did. Okay, tell me. Turban on the head, leadership responsibilities. Tilak on the forehead, ethical requirements. Mukesh Ambani is shaking hand, acceptance and continuance of client relationship. A farmer whistle, boy comes running, human resources. Chintu comes running. Chintu climbs the tree, gets the mango, engagement, performance. Engagement, performance. He gives the mango to the farmer. Farmer first takes the mango, that is monitoring, and then only gives it to the Mukesh Ambani ji. Easy, simple. These are the elements of quality control. Please see here. Elements of system of quality control. Please see here. First is leadership responsibilities, ethical requirements, acceptance and continuance of client relationship, human resources, Chintu, engagement performance, Chintu climbs the tree, gets the mango. And finally, we have monitoring. Easy to understand this area. This for us, my dear students, is question number 1. Question number 2 to 7 is very simple. It is our dear song. Song covers entire area. 2 to 7 covered. Big song. Let's start singing it first. Then we'll take the marking. Song is a combination of 2 songs. That is Koi Keh Kehta Re and We Will Rock You. So let's do both. Okay. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Leadership responsibilities, partners, actions, messages. Shall emphasize on subtle policies, apt reports. Raise concerns without fear, quality essential. Ethical requirements, a threat to independence, appropriate action, acceptance, and continuance, obtain info. New engagement, continue or existing clients in TR, gap, ethics, it matters. Assignment of engagement team, CC Saral. Then we start our favorite thing, we bang. Engagement performance as per Saral documentation. Consult on difficult matters. Listed companies EQCR. Discuss significant matters. Don't date the report till EQCR. Monitoring document issues identified how they were resolved. Conclusions on compliance. Relevant discussions. Conclusions from acceptance. Conclusions from consultations. We have done this. Song is beautifully covered in the content. This is SA 220. I told you always SA 220 if you do, SQC 1 gets covered except that question number 8. So that we'll cover. But first SA 220, let's see this. Please see here. How does the song play a role in our answer? Very simple. Leadership responsibilities, partners, actions, messages. Shall emphasize on thorough policies, apt reports, appropriate reported, apt reports, raise concerns without fear, quality essential. Yeah. Ethical requirements, threat to independence, appropriate action, acceptance and continuance, obtain info. When do you obtain the info? New engagement, continue or existing clients. What will you check? Clients integrity, R capability, ethics, sig matters. Clients inti, R cap, ethic, sig matters. Assignment of engagement team, CCs. We want our team to be competent and capable, and we should also tell them to comply with standards and regulatory and legal requirements. Okay? Engagement performance as per SIRL documentation. Documentation means everything you should note down. That is not written here, but you should note down all the issues. Documentation. Consult on difficult matters. Listed companies will consult with EQCR. Discuss significant matters. Don't date the report till EQCR. It means audit report should not be given until the EQCR report we have received. Okay, we should respect the EQCR, take their report, work on the weaknesses, and only then give the audit report. Okay, then monitoring document issues. When you monitor, you should document which issues. Document monitoring document issues identified, how they were resolved. So what issues you have identified, what issues, how did you resolve those issues, you will document. Conclusions on compliance with independence requirement. How did you comply with independence requirement? Which declaration you made the team member sign? Conclusions on compliance, relevant discussion sanctions, conclusions from acceptance. When you accept the client after the work got over, what is your conclusion? When you accept the work, what is the right, was it the right work to accept or not? That you are writing in your documentation. Conclusions from consultations. What is consultations? Consultations means EQCR, when we consulted him, his consultation, did it benefit us or not? That will what you will monitor while and you will document that matter. Easy. But entire song covers a big chunk. Song, if you know such a big area, it's quickly covered on the exam day. Yeah. Last question number 8 is what we do, that is in relation to integrity. Please here understand with me. Integrity. Let's see this. Just a second. Read this. Sir, how do we come to know about the integrity of the client? So, with regard to integrity of a client, matters the firm considers include, for example, what should you keep in mind? Let's see one by one. We have a code here called blame. How do you come to know about integrity of a certain person? You will look at the business reputation of that person. What kind of reputation this person? Business reputation. In the market, if the reputation of the person is good, then you feel that integrity is good. If not, it is not good. You look at the business practices. This person always does delay in paying the amount, always does delay in paying the amount. For some people, he has not paid also. So with his business practices, how he runs the business, we come to know that, oh, this person is not having integrity. But suppose if there is a person who will take loan in his name, but ensure that the supplier is paid on time. So then we say, oh, this person has good business practice. He has good integrity. Okay. The first 2 points in the code called blame, we have business reputation and business practice. L. If a person, if I'm doing the audit of Mr. A, and Mr. A keeps telling me, Kartik sir, thoda fees you charge less, no, fees you charge less, no. Full time, low fees only, full time. I told, see, fees is 5 lakhs, you have to pay me that because that much work we are doing. I know, sir, some discount, you give some discount. I'll say, see, maximum I'll take from you is 4.7 lakhs. I cannot go below that. That much only maximum I can do less. Sir, please do audit in 10,000 rupees. No, sir, 10,000 rupees, please do no. 5 lakhs, 4.7, I have done 10,000, he wants the audit. I'll say, sorry, boss, I cannot do so low. You understand here, if a client is insisting for fees as low as possible, that is low fees, in that case, I hope you understand, my dear students, in that case, you should not, you will have low integrity for the client. You will feel the client is giving low fees because he wants the audit work should not cover many areas. See, if the client gives high fees, we will get more manpower to do good audit. Client pays low fees, we will put lesser people to do the audit. In that case, the audit will not be done properly. So I'll wonder, why does the client not want the audit to be done properly? Because maybe he is doing some fraud. Okay. Next. Else, second point is limitation in the scope of work. If the client puts inappropriate limitation, don't check this, don't check that. In that case, I'll feel the client has lower integrity. Okay. So L square is done here. Then we'll go to A. We look at the attitude of the client. Attitude basically means what? Do they take the audit work seriously, or is audit work random work for them? So when we ask for them for documents, documents are not sent immediately to the auditor. Immediately means at least within a week you should submit. They are giving it after 2 months, 3 months. I ask for debtors ledger. After 2 months, they are sending it. I ask for sales invoices. After 3 months, they are sending it. It means I will feel that their attitude is not correct. Okay. After that, we have M. Client is involved in money laundering. Client is involved in criminal activities. In the company, there are 4 directors against 2 money laundering cases going on. One has done some 7 murders. One has done some 8 banks he has looted, like that. People, like such people are there. You understand here that is indication that the client may be involved in money laundering and criminal activities. That is M, money laundering. And E is, I will evaluate, see, nice point. I will evaluate the reasons for appointing my firm and non-reappointment of the previous firm. Example, I am doing the audit of A Limited. Before me, Mr. Manoj was the auditor of A Limited. I will think, why is A Limited appointing me? Why are they not reappointing Manoj? I'll find that reason. That reason, if it is genuine, then I'll have integrity for the client. If the reason is such that Manoj was not being paid fees only, in that case, I'll lose the integrity for the client. So we have a code called blame. Your code called. This completes our 8 questions regarding ethical requirements. Quick recap. Oh, sorry, 8 questions regarding SA 220. Quick recap. Question number 1, elements of quality control. That is basically your farmer story. Question number 2 to 7 is covered in the song. Question number 8 is this integrity. What will you check of the client? You will check the blame area. Comfortable till here? Okay. 7 plus 5 plus 8 in total 20 questions are there in chapter number 11.